video or continue the video. We should end it and start a new one. What are you doing, George?
I'm going to the tree. To the tree.
I'm determined to reach that tree and pee in next to it.
Hey.
What are you doing, George? Oh, he's peeing. He didn't even pee.
I'm going on the grass. It feels better on my feet. Oh, my little doggy. I'm going to say hello.
Is that a Pokemon?
Yeah.
Hello, Poggy. I love Pogs. They're so cute.
Nice, George. Come on. Oh,
It's meant to walk.
The pug got scared of it.
come on. Come on, my step family. Let's go.
Oh, let's do
I'm
it.
running. I'm free. I'm wild and I'm free. Hot, I'm going back on the grass. Oh, hot grass. The path is too hot. I'm back on the grass.
Let's do this again.
Oh, the grass feels nice on my feet. It's hot. I need to get back on the grass. It's hot. Where's the grass? I can't see it. The sun is too bright. Matthew, help me. No, it's not in there. Is this grass? I don't know.
George, we good at it.
Come on, honey. George, come on.
He didn't even pee.
I'm good. I'm free. What? I'm ready, Carter.
Stop with the impression.
Hot.
Oh, there's a cat over there.
Oh, there's a cat.
Have you noticed it? No? There's a cat over there. Look. I hadn't noticed it though. You doing, George? Has George seen the cat yet?
Where's the cat?
Over there? Yes, again, another failed pee. I'm gonna call this video failed peeing. Because that's what the video is currently about. Failing to pee.
You need to
Hashtag.
pay us £2,000 off the mortgage for 80 grand to be
Come on!
enough to get that.
Come on, George. Come on, let's go. Come on, George. George.
Yeah.
Guys, try getting
Dan,
free.
you have to evaluate.
I'm not ready to be
But I think we're looking doing it under 10 years.
Yeah.
Well, no.
Come on, George. Let's go. George. Come on, baby.
13 years. George, come here.
George. Can we get you lead on?
George.
Where'd you go, Ray?
I'm going out in the park.
Honey, can you wheel your bike through there, love?
Yeah.
Come on. You got it. Thank you.
You're alright.
Cheers. Can you manage? Yeah. Right. Oh, whoa! You're alright. Thank you very much. Right, come on, love. We'll get on that.
Can I walk in?
In a sec.
Guys. We're getting to a little village now.